Skid. Vai. Vai. Get it. Good boy. Good boy. Focus. Good stuff. Good. Ah, let's go. Bring the leash. Come, bring the leash. Good boy. Yeah, come up here. Good. Get it. Yes, good. Get it. Good job. That's good boy. Very good. Oh, give it to me nicely. Don't just drop it. Up, up, up. No, up, up, up. Good. It's a gloomy day today. Kind of raining, drizzly. All day long. Skid and I are out on a little walk and checking fences. And as you can see, there isn't a whole lot left of our fence. Hi, Skid. That's why we keep the horses locked up now. Skid manages to stay on top of the snow. I keep sinking in a lot of spaces. Okay, puppy, you ready? Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Come here, Skid. Come, quick. Good boy. That's good boy. Good boy. What you doing, Skid? Come on, no, let's go this way. No barking. Let's go. Come on. This way. You guys have spring fever? Shooter. Jemmy. Careful, Skid. Hey, don't kick Cody. Watch it, Skid. Here comes a horse. Watch it. Stay with me. Just get behind me. They are crazy. Really. Careful, guys. Easy. Easy. Easy, guys. Easy, Chammy, easy. Good boy, Skid. Easy, guys. Hey, 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 there's humans here. Stay with me, Skid. What's with them, Skid? What's with them horses? They're crazy. They are crazy. Yeah, you're being a good boy. Can you bring the shovel, Skid? Bring the shovel. Ooh. Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, good job. You're so fast. Good job. Thank you, buddy. Good boy. It looks like Skid has found a new spot to sleep while I'm grooming and tacking horses in my office chair in the barn. Is that nice and warm, Skid? Yeah. You tired, puppy? You have a nap while I ride. You good boy. You good boy. Hi, birdie. What you hear? Snow coming off the roof? It's February 10th and I think it rained all night long. I kept waking up, hearing the rain, and then this morning it was super foggy. But it's starting to lift already. Get it. Well, our morning walks may come to an end soon. It's clear ice everywhere. Our driveway is just a sheet of ice. I can still walk along the edges, but who knows for how long. It's getting a little bit dangerous. It's turning out to be a nice day. Fog's gone. The rain's gone. What do you think, Skid? You're all dirty. Look at me. Good boy. You're all dirty on your head. Gorgeous evening. It's 5:30. Sure nice to have longer days again. Can do chores in daylight. Hey, Skid. On the quad now. On the quad. Get on the quad. In the box. Where's your ball? Did you lose it? Get on the ball. Get on the quad, Skid. Where's your ball, Skid? Where's your ball? Oh, where is it? Did you drop it? Where's the ball? Where's the orange ball? You're saying it's on the ground? I don't see it. Is it not in the box? You sure? Skid, are you sure? Where's the ball, Skid? You don't know? You don't know where the ball is? I think it's here, isn't it? Are you sitting on it? Where is it? Oh, here it is. Here's the ball. Here's the ball. There you go. Skid, look at me. Look. Good boy. Gorgeous morning again. Wow. And the top of the driveway is bare now. That's awesome. And it's only mid-February. Wow, not even. Look at me.